Hey, and welcome to this tutorial on setting up your new website's homepage. As you can see, and I'm sure this is one of the reasons why you bought MyBandTheme, is that the homepage looks really good. There's a huge slider, it's nice and interactive. If there were more posts, then this would slide with various effects. A nice menu system. You have your logo. You have a quote box. You have widget areas here. There's a third one here as well, but I didn't enter it. And you have your discography section. Now, all of these features can be turned either on or off, except for the slider. The slider's there to stay because that's really prominent and it really adds value to the creative website. So you can turn that off. Let's go over to the dashboard and go to your theme editor and general options. If you watch the initial tutorial, which you should have, you'll know that you have to upload your logo and your favicon to have your custom logo and favicon showing on your website. You can change the color scheme. You should know that as well from the initial tutorial. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see the homepage layout. Now, this is the quote box. This is where you can enter the first line of the quote box. This is where you can enter the second line of the quote box text. You can opt to disable this, so let's just turn it off for a sec. Press save changes. You always have to save. And have a look at the home page without the quote box. You'll note that it was here before. And you can turn it back on whenever you want. And right here, you can turn off the widget areas on the home page. Just turn it off and see how it looks. Refresh. I turned off the widget areas, but I turned back the quote box. And you have your discography section. This is generated automatically from the My Albums list that you uploaded. Here, we have one album in our albums list. That's why there's one album displayed. But if you had more, there would be more. And you can also set that discography section to be turned off by setting this to 0. Or if you had more albums, let's say you had 20 albums, for example, and you set this to 5, only 5 would be showing. Okay, so thanks for listening. I hope this was useful, and make sure you watch all the other tutorials as well. Bye.